guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see which card goes the farthest, part 3. First, we'll start with this car. It doesn't say anything, it's maroon. Went there. Next we have this car, it just says Hot Wheels on it. It went right next to it, somehow. This one doesn't say anything, it just says T on the top. Oops, I accidentally dropped it. It just says T on the top right there. Okay. Whoa! It hit the Christmas tree skirt thing. This one doesn't have a name, and it's also kind of mini. That one went the farthest. The mini one